Assalamu alaikum friends, today I will discuss how to recover deleted phone calls history. We will first learn about how the software works. We are telling you in the video how to download this software. Watch the full video. Click call icon, then select recent. I will delete the call history from here. Now I will recover it again. Open the install software. Select the call history that you deleted. Click this icon, then select accept. Now you see in your contact list, your number has been recovered. Now you will see how to download and install the software. Open Google Play Store. Then search telephony backup. Install the software. Open the app. Then allow all permission. Select skip. Click accept. Then allow all permission. Click accept. Thanks for watching.